Number 1. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,700. It has been driven 287,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a red exterior over a gray interior, the truck has been cared for throughout its life and remains in strong running condition. The transmission was professionally rebuilt at approximately 190,000 miles, while routine oil changes have been performed every 5,000 miles to help ensure long-term reliability. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and continues to deliver dependable performance both on and off the road. The underside is reported to be clean and solid, reflecting its southern history and careful ownership. It also features a tasteful 2/4 suspension drop that gives the truck a more aggressive stance without sacrificing everyday drivability. Inside, the cabin remains comfortable and functional, with cold air conditioning and all power features operating as intended. Number 2. 1991 Ford F-150, price $10,000, with only 141,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.8L, 351 CUN gasoline V8 engine, it is paired with an automatic transmission and a four-wheel drive drivetrain that delivers reliable performance in a variety of driving conditions. The truck features a black exterior complemented by a gray interior and is backed by a clean title. Mechanically, the truck is in good condition and runs great. It has recently received several key upgrades, including new brake lines, fuel lines, battery cables, a starter, and shocks, providing added confidence for its next owner. The only item that still needs attention is the exhaust system. Number 3. 1994 Ford F-150, price $10,500, powered by Ford's legendary 4.9L 300 inline-six engine, paired with a heavy-duty E40D 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive with ABS. Showing 155,060 miles, it features an 8-foot-long bed, dual working fuel tanks, cold air conditioning, and AM/FM stereo with upgraded Boss speakers. Finished in white with a red interior, the truck has a straight body with no accident history or frame damage, no fluid leaks, and all lights, gauges, and features function properly. Aside from a small dent in the front bumper and minor, it remains in very good condition. The truck has been extensively maintained with a rebuilt transmission at 145,000 miles, a complete tune-up, new fuel pumps, radiator, a seat condenser, alternator, battery, shocks, struts, windshield, and a full set of new Uniroyal tires. Additional interior and exterior improvements, along with fresh servicing of all major fluids. Number 4. 1986 Dodge D250, price $8,500, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor and paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and a smooth driving experience. The truck has recently received a new water pump, a dual exhaust system, and a set of new tires, ensuring it is ready to be enjoyed on the road. With just 97,000 miles shown on the odometer, the truck runs great and everything functions as it should, with the exception of the air conditioning, which is believed to only need a recharge. The rear suspension has been lowered by approximately 2 inches, giving the truck a more aggressive stance while maintaining its comfortable cruising characteristics. The truck comes with a clean title in hand. Please note that the mileage record was incorrectly entered at the BMV at some point, resulting in a discrepancy on the title. The owner has chosen not to pursue a correction due to the complexity of the process. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800, finished in red with a gray interior. It is powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine mated to a manual transmission and a 4-wheel drive system. The truck has approximately 300,000 miles on the odometer. The engine and transmission were rebuilt previously, providing a solid mechanical foundation. It is currently wrapped, although the wrap on the hood and roof will need some attention to restore its appearance. A new battery has recently been installed, the registration is current with tags already paid, and the truck will be smog certified before delivery. While the truck is not in perfect condition and still requires a few minor repairs, it offers a strong combination of a manual gearbox, 4x4 capability, and a rebuilt drivetrain. Number 6. 2001 GMC Sierra, Classic, 2500, price $5,000, powered by a 6.0L V8 engine paired with a heavy-duty 4L80E automatic transmission. It has 181,000 miles on the odometer, comes with a clean title, and is finished in green with a gray cloth interior. The truck runs on gasoline and has been well maintained mechanically. The engine and transmission are both in good condition with no known mechanical issues or fluid leaks. It starts consistently on the second crank, runs smoothly, and drives well. The interior features durable gray cloth seats that remain functional and comfortable for everyday use. The seller notes that the truck was stolen several years ago, which explains the cut steering wheel and the missing catalytic converters. The catalytic converters were stolen and the exhaust is currently straight-piped, causing the check engine light to remain illuminated for that reason only. The truck has typical cosmetic wear and tear expected from a work vehicle of its age. The registration is currently on non-operation status, expired June 30th. The air conditioning is not working, and the tires are aging and should be replaced in the near future. Number 7. 1997 Ford F-250, price $7,000. It has 275,000 miles and is powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with a ZF5 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, this diesel pickup has been extensively upgraded with new American racing wheels and tires, a KC turbo billet assembly, electronic fuel conversion, South Bend clutch, hydraulic clutch system, PHP Hydra tuner, cold air intake, Apple CarPlay radio, glow shift gauges, new flooring, and numerous maintenance items including the cooling system, steering components, batteries, suspension, bearings, seals, and glow plug system. The truck has rust on the bed, cab corners, and fenders, and it does not have a gooseneck hitch. Number 8. 1988 Ford Ranger, price $6,000, with only 75,246 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a reliable manual, stick shift, transmission, a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, and has been well cared for to ensure dependable performance. The truck runs and drives great with no known mechanical issues, making it ready to be enjoyed immediately. It also features a brand new set of tires, providing a smooth and confident driving experience, while the registration tags are valid through 2027 for added convenience. Whether someone is looking for a dependable daily driver, a practical work truck, or a classic compact pickup with timeless styling, this Ford Ranger is a solid example that offers reliability, simplicity, and plenty of character. Number 9. 1996 Ford F-150, price $2,999. It has been driven 205,000 miles and is powered by a strong and reliable 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a classic white exterior with a clean gray interior, this truck offers both durability and everyday practicality. It comes with a clean title, a valid smog certificate, and current registration, providing added confidence for its next owner. The air conditioning blows ice cold, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in any season, while the engine runs exceptionally smooth and delivers the dependable performance the 5.8L V8 is known for. Number 10. 1987 Mazda B2000, price $3,500, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and has approximately 209,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in tan with a brown interior, the truck has a valid smog certificate through the end of the month. It has been upgraded with a Weber carburetor, aftermarket headers, new spark plugs, ignition wires, and a new distributor cap and rotor. The current owner notes a few known issues, including an air conditioning compressor that was removed by a previous owner for unknown reasons, squeaky front upper control arms, a hole in the muffler causing an exhaust leak, and an intermittent fuel gauge.